Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 2nd, 2025, we're taking a look at AUDUSD, combining both recent news and technical chart analysis to formulate potential trading strategies. First, let's address the news. Recent reports indicate that AUDUSD has been approaching the 0.6500 level with the US dollar on the defensive. We can look at factors such as the interest rate differentials, terms of trade, international trade, and risk sentiment. IG client sentiment shows 63% of traders are long and 37% are short. This may give us contrarian indicators. Let's see how this information correlates to the charts. Now let's move to the daily chart. We can observe the overall trend and key levels of support and resistance. Looking back to January 2024, we can see the price fluctuating between 0.65 and 0.67. Then moving into April 2024, we saw a huge drop down to 0.6041 on April 4th, before quickly moving back up. A close look at the candles starting from February 2025 reveals some volatility, with multiple attempts to break past 0.645. This area seems to be acting as a consistent point of resistance. Let's switch to the hourly chart for a closer look. On the hourly chart, zooming in on a recent time frame, we see the price consolidating around the 0.64 area, indicating a period of indecision. The FX Street article notes a break above the 200-day SMA at 0.6444 could lead to further gains, which aligns with what we're seeing on the chart. If it breaks below this level, we could see further downside. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we'll now look at the most recent candlesticks on June 1st. The candles are tightly packed, indicating a tight trading range with low volume. This could be a precursor to a breakout in either direction. Looking closely, if the price manages to break above 0.6450, we might see a run towards 0.6500, which lines up with potential targets discussed in the news. On the other hand, a sustained break below 0.6420 could open the door for a test of lower levels. To recap, key price levels to watch are 0.6450 as an initial resistance and 0.6420 as an immediate support. A break above 0.6450, supported by positive news and strong volume, could lead to a bullish run towards 0.6500. I'd estimate this has a 50% chance of happening, given the current market sentiment and IG client positioning. Conversely, a break below 0.6420, fueled by negative data releases, could signal further downside towards 0.6380, having a 40% of occurring. Keep an eye on any major news releases related to interest rate decisions from the RBA or the Fed, as these could significantly influence the AUDUSD pair. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth analysis.